Ever considered the seemingly humble plants, those stationary sentinels of nature, metamorphosing into predators rather than being the usual prey? Welcome to the captivating universe of carnivorous plants. Picture a vegetative life form, capable of capturing, eliminating and consuming an unsuspecting insect. A striking narrative seemingly borrowed from a science fiction novel, isn't it? Yet this is the shocking reality of carnivorous plants like the Venus flytrap, the pitcher plant, the sundew, and the butterwort. These not your standard photosynthesis-dependent flora. They follow a unique diet that primarily comprises insects and other small creatures. However, the menu of these plants isn't limited to just small beings. Interestingly, some carnivorous plants have the astonishing capability to trap and digest small mammals and birds, making their predatory behavior even more awe-inspiring. Their diet isn't a result of some twisted evolution, but a necessity. These plants have adapted to these extraordinary feeding mechanisms due to nutrient-poor soil conditions. They don't merely rely on sunlight and water, but on the very life source of those smaller than they are, metamorphosing them into an exotic, very different type of predator. The Venus flytrap, a native to the subtropical wetlands of North America, has become the poster child for carnivorous plants. Its trapping mechanism is quite a spectacle. The trap is actually a modified leaf, the inner surface of which is studded with sensory hairs. When an insect or spider touches these hairs, the trap snaps shut, sealing the fate of the unfortunate creature. Next, we dive into the intriguing world of the pitcher plant. It gets its name from its striking resemblance to a water pitcher. But don't be fooled by its innocent appearance. The rim of the pitcher, known as the peristome, is slippery, causing insects to lose their footing and tumble into the plant's deadly pitfall trap. Once inside, the insect is slowly digested by the plant's enzymes. Then we have the sundew, a plant that seems to glisten in the sunlight. Its leaves are covered in tentacle-like protrusions that secrete a sticky, sweet substance that lures insects in. Once an insect lands on the sundew, it becomes stuck, and the plant's tentacles slowly close around it, secreting digestive enzymes to break down the insect. Lastly, we have the butterwort. This plant, with its bright green rosettes and beautiful flowers, seems almost harmless, but it too is a carnivorous plant. The leaves of the butterwort are covered in a sticky substance that traps insects. Once an insect is stuck, the plant's enzymes break down and absorb the nutrients from the insect's body. In summary, carnivorous plants like the Venus flytrap, the pitcher plant, the sundew, and the butterwort have developed unique and fascinating mechanisms to trap, kill, and digest insects. These plants have turned the tables on the food chain, becoming predators in their own right. They are a testament to the adaptability and diversity of life on Earth, reminding us that nature is full of surprising and incredible phenomena. So the next time you see a plant, remember that not all of them are as harmless as they might appear. Some of them might just be waiting for their next meal to fly or crawl by.